get little P. Hi, Pee-Pee. Hi, Pee-Pee. Hi, baby girl. And let's go. Oh, what's the matter? Was that a yawn? Hi, big boy. Hi, big boy. What? What is it? You gonna tell me something? Oh, hello. I see you. Miss Sassy. Hi, Sass. Hi, Sassy. Hold on one second. I'm just trying to catch Merlin. Merlin. Hi, Curly. Hi. Whoops. Oh, I'm not fast enough. Curly. Hi, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hey, Goods. Goods. Hi. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Well, I was going to have Merlin do some tricks, but I don't think so with him laying down like that. And there goes Goods. Goods, lay down. Good boy.
Nice.
See? He's so trained. Hi, P. What you doing, little girl? Huh? What are you doing? Hi, baby. Whoops. I'm scaring everybody. Hey, Merlin, can I get your paw? Merlin, sit.
He does no paw, Mama.
Sit. He does.
Nuh-uh. He goes like, he lies
Sit.
down. Hey, Merlin, sit.
Sit. Paw. Give me a paw.
He goes down.
Paw. Come on, paw. Oh, no, good boy. Come on, paw.
Paw.
Give me a paw. Good boy. Yes, you are.
Hey, American Idol.
Good job. Hi, Goods. You don't have to do anything because you're just so cute. Okay, I'll be up in a minute. Hi. The handsomest boy. Yes, you are. Oh, looking up at me. Hi. You're the good boy, huh? You're the good boy. And P, the good girl. Hi, little P, watching everything from your perch. Huh. Oh, what's the matter, Curly? You getting tired? Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, everybody say bye. Say bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Yeah. Say bye-bye, P. You're so cute, huh? You're a good girl. Penny is a good girl. Penny. Yes, I know you're awful cute. Yes, you are. And then Curly. Curly, you be a good boy. Okay, that's it. I don't know where Sassy went.
Can you guys be